Asamyukta Hastaha, taken from Abhinaya Darpana, written by Nandikeshwara. Patakas, Patakas flag, Tripatako, tri-flag, Ardhapataka, half-flag, Kattari Mukha, scissors, Mayurakyo, peacock, Ardhachandrasya, half-moon, Adala, pent, Shukatundakaha, parrot's back, Mushtishya, fish, Sikada, Keshya, pig, Kapitta, wood apple, Kataka, Mukha, opening the bracelet, Mushtishya, Shikada, Keshya, Kapitta, Kataka, Mukha, Mushtishya, Shikada, Keshya, Kapitta, Kataka, Mukha, Suchi, needle, Chandrakala, moonlight, Padmakosha, lotus bud, Sarpashirastata, snake's head, Mrgashisa, deer's head, Simha Mukha, lion's face, Kangulyascha, tail, Alapan Makaha, fully bloomed lotus. Chaturo, square, Brahmarashchaiva, goose, Brahmarashchaiva, peace, Hamsasyo, goose, Hamsapakshaka, goose wings. Sandamsho, princess, Mukulashchaiva, bird, Tamrachuda, red-crested cock, Trishulaka, trident. Ashtavimsati hastaya, evam namani Vikramat.